How does boat pricing actually work? And why do some boats cost more than others? Have you ever noticed why boats cost thousands of dollars apart and look basically the same? Most people think it's random, but it's not. There's a formula, and let me break it down to you so you don't overpay. So the first thing I do when I'm checking out a boat is looking at its engine. It really tells you how the owner before you has been treating the boat. So if the owner kept up with the oil changes, flushing the motor, doing water pump service, now that's a good sign. And you'll also see how clean the bolts are, the wiring and the mounts look. But if you're seeing like some open cowling, like it's corroded, rusty, or some random wire everywhere, like with no service records at all, like that usually is a big red flag, and it shows that the owner is probably not keeping up with the basics. Factor number 2, clean history boat costs more. If the boat has records, real records, not just taken care of, that adds value. Buyers who will actually pay more for proof. No records, assume nothing was done. Now factor number 3, hull brand changes everything. Brand matters because brand reputation is rough water. A Grady White, Boston Whaler, or Pursuit will always cost more than a generic brand. Same length, same year, totally different market value because offshore confidence is a real thing. Now, factor number 4 is the location and season. Prices change depending on where the boat is. Florida in winter is expensive. Northern states in winter have good deals. And also at the end of the summer and fall is like more motivated sellers. So if you know the seasonal cycle, you can buy smarter than a lot of other people. Now, let me show you a quick formula to know which boat is actually overpriced. There's a simple rule that I use every day, and that's engine condition, records, brand, region, and then all that equals justification, like all those conditions. So you can make a judgment knowing all the information that's laid from you, and from a surveyor who would know the best how much your boat can be potentially worth, and then how much you think as well. That's part of negotiation when you're purchasing a boat or selling a boat. So if any of those conditions are weak, the price could go lower. And if all 4 are strong, the price can be pretty priced on top, and it can be pretty worth it to get it. If you want more videos like this where I break down the boat market in simple terms, subscribe and drop a comment. If you ever need a second set of eyes on the boat before you buy it, I got you.